Hello students, today we are going to learn the last part of your chapter 2 in SS, Cultural Heritage of India, Traditional Handicrafts and Fine Arts. In the previous session we have learned the fine arts and today we are going to learn about folk dances of Gujarat. People belong to different communities reside in Gujarat. According to their traditions and customs, these communities have various dance forms also. Folk dances, Garba, Ras, tribal dance, and many more folk dances of various tribes are there in Gujarat. We can see people dancing, especially on the occasion of marriages, festivals, other celebrations, and fairs. At first, we get some information about tribal dance. Tribal dance is seen at the time of festivals, marriages, fairs, and during some religious occasions. This dance is performed in a circle along with the music of certain instruments like drum, dholak, etc. The songs of this dance are sung in regional language. Chado is a kind of tribal dance. In this dance, dancers imitate different birds. Various communities of different parts of Gujarat have their own kind of tribal dance. Maline Chalo, Takariyo Chalo, Tippani dance, etc. are examples of some of the traditional dances of Gujarat. The next is Garba. Garba is a form of dance which originated in the state of Gujarat. This name is derived from the Sanskrit term Garba and Deep. Garba means womb and Deep means lamb. Many traditional Garbas are performed around centrally lit lamb or statue of goddess Adya Shakti. Garbas are performed during Navratri festival in all parts of Gujarat. When women perform it, it is known as Garba, while men dancing is known as Garbi. Gujarati poetry known as Garba and Garbi are chiefly associated with Krishna Bhakti. The next is Ras. Ras or Dandiya Ras is a traditional folk dance form of Gujarat. This dance is to be performed in circle along with singing. There is a story that Lord Krishna had shown Ras Leela to devotee Narsim Mehta. It is performed during Navratri and Janmashtami festivals. Dandiya Ras is one of its kind and is played with wooden sticks. Due to the influence of Vaishnav sect, Ras has become more popular. People wear traditional dresses while performing this dance. Now we learn about the other dances of Gujarat. First we learn about Gof Gundan dance. This particular dance is performed on drum beats and tal and laya of music. It is a traditional Navratri Garba dance of Koli and Kanbi community in Saurashtra. In this dance, each dancer holds a stick in one hand and a string in the other. The string is tied with a ring hung from the ceiling. They form creeper-like formation and they make and open the gundan. Gundan means plate. And this particular style of dance form of Gujarat is called the Gof Gundan dance. Next is Dhamal dance of Siddhis. This is a religious dance form. Dhamal is a unique dance form of Siddhi community of Gujarat. Siddhis are the African migrants who came to India about 750 years ago as slaves. They settled in the coastal part of Gujarat. Presently, they are residing in Jambur village in the center of Gir. They perform dance by striking mashira and they wear peacock feathers and hold small drums in their hand while dancing. They dance in a group and imitate the voice of animals and birds. Next is Merayo dance, Padhar dance and Koli and Mer dance. Merayo dance is seen near the stepwell of Banaskantha region. This dance is performed on drum beats and sword tricks. People use sword while performing their dance. Next is Padhar dance. Padhar dance is performed by the fishermen community Padhar living in Surendranagar region. The dancers hold small sticks in their hand and they enact rowing of boats while dancing. They sing songs associated with water and they generate scenes like sea waves or like a ship moving on sea waves while dancing. The next is Koli dance and Mer dance. These are the traditional folk dances of Saurashtra region in Gujarat. Both men and women perform these dances. They wear their traditional dresses while doing this dance. Traditional dresses which is having lot of embroidery work, mirror work and such kind of clothes are worn while dancing this kind of dance. Thus, various tribes of Gujarat have their own unique dances. So, this is the end of our second chapter. Please read the chapter completely very well again. Hope that you all understood this chapter clearly. Dear students, if you have any doubts, please feel free to message me. And if you like my video, please press the like button. Thank you.